Imagine standing beneath a structure so massive that it can be seen from space, or driving through a tunnel carved beneath the sea that connects two nations once separated by water. Around the world, engineers have transformed impossible dreams into reality with projects costing billions of dollars. These aren't just bridges, tunnels, or airports. They're symbols of human ambition, changing how millions of people live, work, and travel every single day. But among the world's greatest engineering achievements, which one truly stands above the rest? Let's begin our countdown. Engineering has always shaped civilization. From ancient aqueducts to today's smart cities, every generation pushes the limits a little further. Modern megaprojects don't just solve transportation problems, they create jobs, boost economies, attract tourism, and redefine skylines. Behind every billion-dollar masterpiece are years of planning, groundbreaking technology, and thousands of people determined to accomplish what once seemed impossible. Starting at number 10, let's explore the engineering marvels that changed our world. At number 10 is the Millau Viaduct in southern France. Completed in 2004 at a cost of roughly 400 million euros, well over $1 billion in today's value, it rises higher than the Eiffel Tower. Built to eliminate one of France's worst traffic bottlenecks, the bridge stretches gracefully across the Tarn Valley, with its tallest mast reaching 343 meters into the sky. Engineers battled fierce winds and challenging terrain while assembling its elegant steel deck with remarkable precision. Today, the viaduct has become an architectural icon, reducing travel times, boosting tourism, and proving that functionality and beauty can exist in perfect harmony. Number 9 takes us beneath the English Channel. The Channel Tunnel, often called the Channel, cost approximately £9 billion in the early 1990s, equivalent to well over $20 billion today. Stretching nearly 50 kilometers, it remains the world's longest undersea tunnel section. More than 13,000 workers excavated through difficult geology from both England and France, meeting almost perfectly beneath the seabed. Since opening in 1994, the tunnel has transformed European travel and trade, carrying millions of passengers and enormous volumes of freight every year. It didn't just connect two countries, it connected economies. Coming in at number 8 is Singapore's Changi Airport Terminal 5 expansion and the larger Changi development. Changi has consistently ranked among the world's best airports, but maintaining that reputation requires constant innovation. Designed to handle tens of millions of additional passengers annually, the expansion incorporates advanced automation, sustainable design, and climate-resilient engineering. More than just an airport, Changi has become a destination in itself, proving that transportation hubs can also be entertainment, shopping, and leisure centers. It's a powerful example of infrastructure driving an entire nation's global competitiveness. At number 7 stands the Hong Kong-Zhuhai Macau Bridge, one of the most ambitious sea-crossing projects ever attempted. Costing around $18 billion, the 55-kilometer network combines bridges, artificial islands, and an underwater tunnel. Engineers had to design structures capable of surviving typhoons, powerful ocean currents, and even earthquakes, while allowing some of the world's busiest shipping lanes to remain open. Completed in 2018, the bridge dramatically reduced travel times across the Pearl River Delta, strengthening economic ties between three major cities and creating one of the largest integrated metropolitan regions on Earth. Number 6 is the Palm Jumeirah in Dubai. Unlike traditional engineering projects, this one literally reshaped geography. Built for approximately $12 billion, engineers reclaimed millions of cubic meters of sand from the Persian Gulf to create an artificial island shaped like a palm tree. Massive GPS-guided dredgers carefully positioned every grain of sand, while an 11-kilometer breakwater protects the island from waves. Today, Palm Jumeirah is home to luxury hotels, residences, and world-famous attractions, transforming Dubai into one of the planet's premier tourism destinations. Halfway through our countdown, number 5 belongs to the Three Gorges Dam in China. Costing around $31 billion, it remains the world's largest hydroelectric power station by installed capacity. Construction lasted nearly 2 decades and required enormous quantities of concrete and steel. The dam generates clean electricity for millions of homes while improving flood control and river navigation. However, its creation also required relocating more than 1 million people, highlighting the enormous human challenges that often accompany projects of this scale. Few engineering achievements have generated as much admiration and debate. At number 4 is the Gotthard Base Tunnel in Switzerland, the longest railway tunnel ever built. Stretching 57 kilometers beneath the Swiss Alps, this $12 billion project took 17 years to complete. Workers drilled through some of Europe's hardest rock under extreme temperatures and immense underground pressure. Precision surveying allowed excavation teams approaching from different directions to meet with astonishing accuracy. The tunnel now allows faster, more efficient freight and passenger travel across Europe, while reducing truck traffic through sensitive alpine environments, making it both an engineering and environmental success. Number 3 brings us to Beijing Daxing International Airport. Opened in 2019 at a cost exceeding $17 billion, the airport's striking starfish-shaped design minimizes walking distances while maximizing operational efficiency. Constructing one of the world's largest airport terminals required advanced digital modeling, earthquake-resistant engineering, and sustainable energy systems. Designed to eventually handle more than 100 million passengers annually, Daxing demonstrates how engineering can prepare cities for decades of future growth while delivering an unforgettable architectural statement. Our runner-up is the International Space Station. Although not fixed to Earth, it represents one of humanity's greatest engineering collaborations. With an estimated lifetime cost exceeding $150 billion, the station was assembled piece by piece in orbit over many years by astronauts from multiple nations. Every module, solar array, and life support system had to function flawlessly in the harsh environment of space. The ISS has advanced scientific research, international cooperation, and technologies that benefit life on Earth, proving that engineering has no boundaries, not even gravity. And finally, at number 1 is the South-North Water Transfer Project in China. With projected costs exceeding $80 billion, it is one of the largest water engineering projects ever undertaken. Through thousands of kilometers of canals, tunnels, pumping stations, and reservoirs, the system transfers water from the country's wetter southern regions to its drier north, supplying major cities including Beijing. Building such an immense network required overcoming mountains, rivers, complex geology, and massive environmental challenges, while balancing the needs of millions of people. More than any single bridge, tunnel, or skyscraper, this project demonstrates engineering on a national scale. Its sheer size, complexity, and long-term impact on water security make it one of the most extraordinary infrastructure achievements in modern history. Looking across these incredible projects, one thing becomes clear. Engineering is about far more than concrete and steel. It's about solving problems that affect millions of lives. It's about connecting nations, protecting communities, creating opportunities, and turning bold ideas into lasting reality. Every one of these billion-dollar marvels reminds us that human imagination has few limits when paired with determination, innovation, and collaboration. As technology continues to evolve, tomorrow's engineering masterpieces may seem even more unbelievable than today's. Floating cities, hyperloop networks, and lunar infrastructure could soon move from science fiction to reality. If history has taught us anything, it's that the impossible has a habit of becoming possible. If you enjoyed exploring these incredible engineering marvels, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more fascinating documentaries, and let us know in the comments which engineering masterpiece amazed you the most. Until next time, thanks for watching.